Hi Beautyvicers, it's Noelle again, and today I want to show you guys my newest hair finds. I was at the hairdresser the other day and she was telling me how I needed to try the L'Oréal Metal Detox serum. So I've been using the Metal Detox shampoo for a while. I believe I did a video on it and I loved it because it really brought out shine from my hair. Conditioner, I don't use that much. I do prefer to use like other conditioners because my hair is dry. But the shampoo, I love. It brings out shine, and I could tell that my hair just is softer and shinier and so much more beautiful. So today I'm trying the serum, and this is actually a lightweight oil. My hairdresser told me to definitely try it. That she's found that not only does it help protect your hair against heat, but it also helps with the shine, it helps with the frizz, and it helps to cut down your blow dry time. So I'm going to go ahead and try this for the first time. Let's go ahead. I just got out of the shower, washed my hair. I'm gonna brush it out. And then we're gonna go ahead and put, I'm gonna do 2 pumps of serum, the hair oil serum. It's very lightweight. I mean, definitely, I'm gonna do 2 more. I always feel with my hair tends to absorb products so easily that I always feel I can put a little bit more of whatever in my hair. I'm gonna go through the ends a little bit as well. Now, this oil also helps to protect your hair from heavy metals in water. The main ingredient is glucomine, which is an ingredient that helps to really get inside of the hair shaft and strengthen and protect your hair so that it doesn't get weakened by heavy metals or become dull or brittle. So that's it. We're done brushing it through. And now I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it with just this one product in it. And we are going to see if it does feel nicer, if it's shinier, as well as if it truly does cut down the blow dry time. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so we're all done, and these are the results of my blowout using the L'Oréal Metal Detox oil. As you guys can see, I'm going to show you in the mirror. It's really smooth. I will say that. It's super soft. When I run my fingers through it, super soft. It is shiny. I love the results. Absolutely. Did it cut down my blow dry time? It did not. It still took me a good 45 minutes to blow dry my hair. But overall, I mean, I'm super happy. It looks smooth. It looks shiny. And again, it's so soft. I just can run my fingers through it right now all the way to the ends, and it feels so good. So if you are looking for a nice protective blowout serum oil, I would definitely recommend the L'Oréal Metal Detox. It's really good, very lightweight. It's not weighing my hair down. It's not making my hair greasy, and it looks really, really, really good. So it gives you a great blowout, super smooth, super shiny, and just protects your hair from heavy metals and dullness and breakage from the heat styling. So it's a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment and subscribe. If you have any questions, go ahead and post. Bye.